Good morning. Sorry, this started off as just me doing my base without talking. Too early to start talking. It's now 7:33 in the morning, so I can talk now. So I've decided I'm going to do Vlogmas, but makeup edition, because I don't really vlog that often. I mean, I've vlogged a couple of times before, not on this channel, I don't think. But I've vlogged a couple of times. I think you've seen some. Anyways, I'm not really huge on vlogging. I think it'd be fun to vlog, but especially with the pandemic, I don't do anything. I go to work and I come home. So I don't know what I would vlog. So I was sitting down last night taking off my makeup, and I was putting away this collection that I just got. And I was thinking about how I keep buying new collections and I use them once or twice and then I don't touch them again. So I have so many palettes that I haven't touched in a long time. So I was thinking I need a way to go back and touch all these palettes. So I was thinking we could do Vlogmas, where I might throw in a couple of clips throughout the day, but the majority of what it will be is trying a new palette every day, or not trying a new palette, but going back to the old palettes every day. So we're gonna do Vlogmas, but makeup edition is what I'm gonna call it. So I did just get ready. I have to go to work. I have like 15 minutes to finish getting ready. I bought this palette from Colourpop. It's the Colourpop and Raw Beauty Kristi collection. So when I first tried this, I did the greens. So today I'm gonna actually do the orangey reds. So I'm literally like out of brushes. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Puffball shade, which is the brown shade, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. We're just gonna put that in the crease. Oh, that's pigmented. I'm gonna do really basic because I am running behind. In the future, maybe I'll light up the background because I didn't realize how dark it looks behind me. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to start waking up earlier because I wanna do more intricate makeup looks than what today is gonna be, because today I have no time and they take me a while. I'm gonna have to do them before work because I feel like that'd be dumb to come home after work and take off my makeup to put more makeup on just for the video when I have to put my makeup on regardless for the day. So I should just wake up a little bit earlier. So I am starting this Vlogmas early. So the days that you watch are going to be technically probably a week or more in advance, only because I want to still be able to like have time to edit, and like I'm nervous about timing. So I want to have time to be able to edit, and also if I need like a day or two off, then I can have the day or two off. I'm still going to be uploading like my haul videos and things like that, so those days there just won't be a makeup like this vlogish style. So today is technically November 24th, so a couple of weeks. Actually, it's just about a week exactly. Yeah, a week exactly, because 1 week from today is technically December 1st. So we're only a week in advance. But we're doing a Thanksgiving party at my work, which my work, there's only like 5 of us. So it's just the 5 of us, and then a couple of our spouses are coming. I need to figure out what the hell I'm wearing. The only problem with doing my makeup in the morning is I sit here, I play with makeup, and then I'm done and I'm like, oh, now what matches this? I'm just using the same color and the same brush for my lower lash line. Trying to decide like how crazy do we want to be today. Like, I don't think I want to go too intense. I'm gonna use a little bit of Chantilly, whatever, the mustard shade, just to kind of buff out the edges a little bit more and bring even more warmth. Okay, let's go in with Homegrown, which is like a dark brown, but it's kind of reddy. Like it's red based. So I'm gonna use that to deepen up the crease. Put that in the outer V in the crease. I just need some more depth. God, I'm hungry. Wow, the more I add color, the more my color gets messed up. Like, I mean, you saw at the beginning, I was fully whited out. Now I feel like I'm red toned. No, still red? Okay. Alright, we're gonna go back in and blend. It's nice doing a voiceover in the morning because then I was able to watch YouTube on my phone while I got ready, which is what I normally do in the morning. We're gonna use this shade, which is Mycelium, which is the light color, but that's like more gold toned. It's not gonna show up very well. I noticed yesterday these actually work better with a brush than your finger, which was surprising, so we'll use a brush. And I don't know if you noticed, I really brought that first shade kind of on the middle of my eye and a little past the middle. So we're gonna put this on the corner, but then also in the middle to kind of like build it all as like a gradient, because I don't want this too intense. I am still, you know, going to work. Maybe I should use my finger. Oh, way better. I'm gonna go ahead and use the brown eyeliner that came in that collection. It is called Woodsy. I'm just gonna put that in my waterline, which hopefully this doesn't mess up because this eye is still watering. Interesting, it's like a really light colored brown. Wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna highlight with MAC Nylon in my brow bone and probably the inner corner too. Yeah. Ooh, I love this shade. Now I'm gonna add mascara, which is the Marc Jacobs Lashed. I'm gonna put lipstick on just for you, but normally I wouldn't because right after this I'm changing and eating, so we'll do it for you. This is just a lip gloss from Marc Jacobs. It is in the shade Sugar Sugar. Okay, I need to go get ready. Okay, I don't have a full length mirror, so this is what you're getting. This is my outfit. I got brown pants. Oh, that hurts. And the shirt. I gotta go. Woo! I am late. Late. What time is it?
Late. 56.
Apparently I have a little extra time, so I'm gonna make my sandwich. Your mornings is hectic or just me? God, that lighting looks great, huh? Oh my gosh. So I said in a previous video, do you want me to turn on lights? Better? I said in a previous video how I have scoliosis because my hip is twisted, yada yada yada. Anyways, I went to the chiropractor yesterday and they gave us a pie. Like a whole pumpkin pie. What? Thanks. Weird, but thanks. I'm not complaining. So, unfortunately, this is a cute outfit, but I'm gonna have to wear white tennis shoes with it because at the moment I can't wear anything but tennis shoes because of the cushion it has. I've tried once wearing something other than it, and that was a miserable day and next day. So, sticking with the tennis shoes until I am fixed. So I'm already horrible at this, and I forgot to continue vlogging. Remember, we're half-assing this vlogging. It's now like 6 o'clock. Sorry, I'm holding it on my phone. It's now 6 o'clock. I've gotten home. I actually I go to the chiropractor 3 days a week. So I did get back from I went straight to the chiropractor after work, and I am back now. Sorry, I can't just like... Anyways, I am watching a video on YouTube while I wait for my husband to come home with Taco Bell. Whoop, whoop. I'm excited. Anyways, that's it. I have nothing else to say. I've got my cat over here, my little baby boy. Right, Tippy? So, like I said, this isn't going to be full-on vlogs because there's literally nothing to vlog. I'm laying down watching YouTube on my projector. So, yes. I don't know if I should end it now. Maybe not. We'll see. Okay. It is the end of the night. I literally ate Taco Bell. I watched a movie on Netflix. Some Christmas movie. What was it? Operations something. I didn't want to watch it. I just couldn't find anything else to watch. It was actually pretty good. I mean, it was cheesy, but it was pretty good because it's based apparently on a true story, at least the Christmas drop thing. Anyways, I'm gonna use the One Size Go Off spray. I feel like I just got that in my hair. Then I got the Kirkland, you know, Costco wipes. So I'm gonna be the first to admit, I don't really wash my face lately. I just double wipe. It kind of hurts a lot to bend over at the sink with my spine and everything twisted. So I've just been double cleansing. So anyways, I'm gonna add this just because I got it in a BoxyCharm. It's Volition? I don't know. Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So I'm gonna put some of this on just because I have it and it's in front of me. Why not? All right, and then I'm gonna put on the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. Tippy chill. Holy crap. I like slapping this on my nose. And then I don't care for the rest. Okay. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Chula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Balm for the eyes because I don't wanna go get my eye cream. You know, I should just bring all my skincare in here while I'm getting fixed by the chiropractor because I literally haven't done skincare in months. So, should probably get on that. Okay, it is the end of the night. I am going to go lay down and go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow.